Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to my another brand new video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to download and install Skype on your computer. So what is Skype? Skype is a free voice and video calling app. Skype is a free calling app that enables video and voice chat as well as instant messaging. It's very easy to use and has an intuitive interface. Most users are familiar with video calling and messaging apps, but Skype runs on a powerful server that helps maintain a stable connection. You can use it for free via Wi-Fi or sign up for a calling plan where you can contact other mobile numbers. So let's download and install it. Just click on this link in the description. Just click on it and you will see this website, and click on this green button, download latest version. Click on it, wait for a few seconds and it will start. As you guys can see, it is started. It will take 4 to 5 minutes for me, so I'm gonna wait and I will come back after that when it's finished. So I am back with my video, so it is done. So just click on it here, click run, click yes. Now this is it, and we are going to just click on install. Wait for a few seconds and you will see. As you guys can see, it is done. Let's go. Sign in or create. Okay, if you have any ID with your you can sign in with your phone number, with email, with the Skype ID, and you can use it for calls, for chat, and it is for free. I hope you like this video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video.